Okay, so today we're going to cover quick accessibility of the Adobe Brakets application. And I already have it loaded, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and what it looks like here. So I'm going to have JAWS running at my regular speed, and I'm going to slow it down a little bit.
Slower, 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 slower. Faster.
Okay, so now I have brackets running. Let's check that.
Index.html left parent getting started right parent dash brackets. Index.html left parent getting started right parent dash brackets.
And what I want to do is I want to hit Control Home to get to the top of the page here.
Index.html left parent getting started right parent dash brackets.
So what happens here is when you load brackets, you're going to have a menu, actually a screen here. It's an HTML page. And let's arrow down so I can show you that there's an edit area here and a documents area. And then we'll go through the menu options here.
Working files.
Okay, working files, where you're going to see your working files under here as links.
List of 1 items. Link index.html.
So index.html.
List end. Getting started.
Okay, I keep arrowing down here.
Link screenshots. Link index.html. Link main.css. Edit.
Okay, there's the edit field there. I'm going to hit enter.
Enter. 1 less. Doc type HTML greater 2 black down pointing triangle less HTML greater 3 4 black down pointing triangle less head greater 5 less meta charset equals quote dash 8 quote greater 6 less meta h.
Okay, so you're going to see some code there, and I'm going to arrow down.
Less. Dot 2.
Here's the line numbers.
Black down pointing triangle. Less HTML greater 3.
So there's line 3.
Blank. 4.
Line 4, blank line.
Black down pointing triangle. Less head greater.
Less head greater.
5.
Line 5.
Less meta charset equals quote dash 8 quote greater.
All right, so the point here is that we're going to go through this edit window, and we're going to see everything that we need to see about the code in this particular file that we have open. So let's open up another file. We're going to go to the top of the page, but I'm going to exit forms mode here.
Escape. Index.html left parent getting started right parent dash bracket.
I'm going to arrow down to where it says working files.
Working files. List of 1 items. Link index.html.
There's only one file here.
List end. Getting started. Blank. Link screenshots. Link index.html.
These are screenshots.
Link main.css.
All right, so let's go to index.html.
Link blank. Getting started. List end. Link index.html. Enter. Index.html link.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit E so I can go to the edit field here for the code.
Wrapping the top. Edit. Enter. Screenshots link.
And I'm going to hit Control Home here.
Index.html left parent getting start working list of 1 items. Edit. 1. Less. Doc 2. Less. Doc type HTML greater. 2. Black down pointing triangle. Less HTML greater. 3. Blank. 4. Black down pointing triangle.
So the point is we've got the application here, and it is a very simple dialog here, page, where you can see everything at the top as links, and then toward the bottom you'll see the edit field for the file that you're editing at the time based on the link that you click on top. So let's go through the menu options here. I'm not going to be able to hit Alt F for file and Alt E for edit and Alt V for view because those shortcuts have not been programmed into this application. But if I hit Alt, I'm going to land right on the file menu.
Menu bar 5F.
And then let's just go through the file menu here really quickly because I think we have some standard commands here.
Menu, file menu, new control plus N.
So new is control plus N.
Open, control plus O.
Open is control plus O.
Open folder, control plus Alt plus O.
Open folder is control plus Alt plus O.
Close control plus W, C.
So control plus W, usual commands.
Close all control plus Shift plus W, C.
There you go, control plus Shift plus W to close everything.
Save control plus S.
So save is control S.
Save all control plus Alt plus S.
So control Alt S is save all. And if you have multiple files open, you're going to be able to do that through here.
Save as, control plus Shift plus S.
So if you want to save as, you could do control plus Shift plus S.
Live preview, control plus Alt plus PL.
So live preview, control Alt P.
Enable experimental live preview, E.
Experimental live preview.
Project settings, P.
Project settings.
Extension manager, E.
Extension manager.
Exit control plus Q, E.
And then exit. All right, so I'm going to hit right arrow here to go to the
edit menu, undo control plus Z, U.
Edit menu, and then undo is the usual control plus Z.
Redo control plus Y, R.
Redo.
Cut control plus X, C.
Cut, usual command, control X.
Copy control plus C, C.
Control C for copy. These are standard Windows commands.
Paste control plus V, P.
The paste command.
Select all control plus A, S.
Okay, select all.
Select line control plus L, S.
So select line, that's a cool one. Control L.
Split selection into lines, control plus Alt plus L, S.
So split your selection into lines. That's pretty cool.
Add cursor to previous line, Alt plus Shift plus upward 0, A.
Okay, add cursor to previous line.
Add cursor to next line, Alt plus Shift plus downward 0, A.
Add cursor to next line.
Indent control plus right bracket, I.
Okay, indent. Control plus right bracket.
Unindent control plus left bracket U.
Unindent control plus left bracket.
Duplicate control plus D D.
Duplicate.
Delete line control plus shift plus D D.
There it is. Control shift D is to delete a line.
Move line up control plus shift plus upward 0.
Move line up. That's not bad. Control shift up arrow.
Move line up control plus shift plus upward 0. Move line down control plus shift plus downward 0.
Control shift down is to move line down.
Toggle line comment control plus slash T.
Okay, if you want to toggle a line comment, you can do that.
Toggle block comment control plus shift plus slash T.
Control shift slash is for block comment.
Show code hints control plus space S.
So code hints, control space.
Show parameter hint control plus shift plus space S.
So to show your parameters,
show parameter hint control plus shift plus space.
Control shift space.
Auto close braces checked A.
Auto close braces checked. That's good because you want to do that. If you open a brace, you want to be able to have it closed automatically for you, so you don't have debugging errors or syntax errors in your code there.
Undo control plus ZU.
Or structure errors. Undo is control plus Z.
Redo control.
Okay, we're at the top of the menu. Let's hit right arrow here.
Find menu. Find control plus F.
Find menu. Control F.
Find next F3 F.
Find next. Same as usual.
Find previous shift plus F3 F.
Shift plus F3 is to find previous.
Find all and select Alt plus F3 F.
Find all and select all. Alt plus F3.
Add next match to selection control plus DA.
Add next match to selection control plus B.
Skip and add next match control plus shift plus DS.
Skip and add next match. You hear that?
Skip and add next match control plus shift plus DS.
Control shift B.
Find in files control plus shift plus FF.
Find in files. Control shift F. And we're going to keep going here really quickly.
Replace control plus HR.
Replace control H. That's just so if you're going through here and you want to do a replace.
Replace in files control plus shift plus HR.
Replace in files. So if you want to do a search in all files, you do a control shift
replace in files control plus shift plus HR.
H, and then you'll be able to do a replace on all the files.
Find control plus FF.
There's the find. We're back at the top.
Find next F3.
Okay. And then find next F3.
Find previous shift plus F3 F. Find all and select Alt plus.
There it is. So we're done with that. Let's go right arrow here.
View menu themes T.
View menu. So you could select the theme here.
No split checked N.
No split.
Vertical split V.
So if you want a vertical split in your application here in the main application.
Horizontal split H.
Horizontal split.
Hide sidebar control plus Alt plus H H.
So just in case you want to hide the sidebar.
Toggle panels control plus shift plus Prov T.
If you want to toggle your panels, control Alt grave key.
No distractions control plus shift plus 2 N.
No distractions. Control shift plus 2.
Increase font size control plus I.
Okay, if you want to increase font size.
Decrease font size control plus minus D.
Decrease font size. The idea here is to find out if this application is accessible. So far, it is. Most of the menu options are accessible here.
Restore font size control plus 0 R.
Restore font size control plus 0.
Highlight active line H.
Highlight active line. That's good.
Line numbers checked L.
Line numbers. If you want line numbers, you can do that. That's always good.
Word wrap checked W.
Word wrap. If you want a word wrap so you can see your line in multiple lines here.
Live preview highlight control plus shift plus C checked unavailable L.
Live preview highlight.
Lint files on save checked L. Lint files on save checked.
Lint files on save checked.
Quick view on hover checked Q.
So quick view on hover. So if you're using the mouse, for people that use the mouse.
Collapse all Alt plus 1 C.
Collapse all. So if you have a tree and you have code in there, then you can collapse it.
Expand all Alt plus shift plus 1.
Expand it all.
Collapse current control plus Alt plus left.
Collapse current control.
Expand current control plus Alt plus right bracket E. Show extract for brackets left parent preview right parent control plus Alt plus X S.
Control Alt X. Show extracts for brackets. So let's continue really quickly, much more faster here. The idea is to get and find out if this is accessible, and so far it is.
Themes T.
So we're back at the top of the menu. I'm going to hit right arrow here.
Navigate menu. Quick open control plus shift plus O Q.
So navigate menu, which is quick open, control shift O.
Go to line control plus G G.
Go to line, control G. I like that.
Quick find definition control plus T.
Quick find definition, control T. So accessible.
Jump to definition control plus J J.
Jump to definition.
Go to first problem F8 unavailable G.
Go to first problem F8.
Next document control plus tab N.
Control tab. So if you have multiple documents, you can go to multiple documents and switch to them.
Previous document control plus shift plus tab D.
Control shift tab is previous document.
Next document and list control plus page down N.
Next document and list control page down.
Previous document and list control plus page up P.
So the other one is control shift P.
Show previous document and list control plus page up P.
Control page up, rather.
Show in file tree S.
Show in file tree.
Quick edit control plus EQ.
Quick edit.
Previous match Alt plus upward 0 unavailable P.
Previous match.
Next match Alt plus downward 0 unavailable N.
Next match.
New rule control plus Alt plus N unavailable N.
So control Alt N for new rule.
Quick docs control plus KQ.
Quick docs, and you guys can find out about this. The idea again is to find out if this is accessible, and so far so good.
Quick open control plus shift plus O Q.
Alright, so we're back to the quick open. Let's do right arrow.
Debug menu. Show developer tools F12 S.
So developer menu is show developer Tools, F12.
Reload with extensions F5, R.
Reload with extensions, F5.
Reload without extensions Shift plus F5, R.
Shift F5 is without extensions.
New brackets window, N.
New brackets window, so you can create a new code window.
Switch language, S.
Switch language.
Run test unavailable, R.
Run test if you want to run test here.
Show performance data, S.
Performance data.
Open bracket source unavailable, O.
So open bracket source.
Enable node debugger, E.
Enable node debugger.
Log node state to console, L.
Log node state to console.
Restart node, R.
Restart node.
Show errors in status bar, S.
Show errors in status bar.
Open preferences file, O.
Open preferences file.
Open user key map, O.
User key map open.
Show developer tools F12, S.
Okay, so we're back at the top, right arrow here.
Help menu, check for updates, C.
So help menu. So we've got, I think we've made it to the last menu option here. So let's see.
Check for updates.
Check for updates in case you want to update the application.
How to use brackets, H.
How to use it. If you want to read that, then you can go through it.
Brackets support F1, B.
F1 for support.
Suggest a feature, S.
If you want to suggest a feature, you can go through here.
Release notes, R.
Release notes, always good to read them.
Get involved, G.
Get involved as if you want to do development in this open source. Would be great.
Show extensions folder, S.
Show extensions folder.
Health report, H.
Health report.
Brackets homepage, B.
Brackets homepage if you want to go to the website.
At brackets on Twitter, at.
Brackets on Twitter.
About brackets, A.
And then about.
Extract for brackets online help, E.
So extract for brackets online help.
Open extract for brackets tutorial, O.
Okay, extract for bracket tutorial.
Sign into Creative Cloud, S.
So if you want to use the Creative Cloud, you guys can find out about that.
Check for updates, C.
Then we're back at the top of the menu, right arrow.
Menu bar, menu, system menu, restore unavailable, R.
Okay, so
Menu bar, menu, file menu, new control plus N.
so we've made it to the end. The idea here was to gain some information about whether the application is accessible or not, and it is. And I want to let you guys know that so far so good. The next review will be on how to run an application here, and we'll be doing that sometime next week. Have a nice day, and I hope you guys have lots of questions. And if you do, please post them down below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can.